Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Oh, it's my favourite song, man. Oh, it's literally just started raining now. Alright. Cheers, dude. See you around, man. On his phone, Lutsch, meinen Deutsch. Oh, windy boy, windy, windy, windy. Dickhead. Good morning, good morning, good morning, people. That's what I got. It's hard to see with the camera probably, but I am selling the rear tail section of my bike. No, it's not the original. It's a spare that got bought for me under warranty, so I had it free of charge, of which I'm going to sell. It's basically the rear tail assembly. That's basically what it is. There's two parts to it. Obviously there's the mud guard, and then the tail, LED tail light. Now, weirdly, right, on eBay, there's people selling these individual parts for £40 each. You can get them off CMPO for about fucking 40 quid. So I sold it for the same price as I got it for, because I don't know, something just seems dodgy. People overcharging. Now, people would overcharge because of the bike's decommissioned. Yeah, because the bike is decommissioned. So that's my understanding of it. I believe they would be selling it because it's decommissioned at a higher price, because the parts are slightly harder to get, which they are, because they got to import them from China because that's where it's made. I believe I had to wait 2 weeks to get this, but some lucky bastards getting it for £40 minus eBay fees, obviously, so it'd be more like 30-ish. I'm trying to post it today, but I can't find any post office that's open at the minute. I do the one local to me, but it's always closed. Wonder if it says on the front no helmet. Well, it doesn't say on the front. Just a one parcel. Yeah, that's fine. Gotta do your job as well. But I am selling other parts as well, just to make a bit of cash. More so rainy day, or if we need anything for the new little one, then I can use it then for the new little one instead of struggle, as obviously the other half's out of work. DBT, but do you want to take my parcel? Oh man, my back is absolutely agony. Ah. 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 Oh, you watch, fucking Fuzz will be down here. Plenty of fucking road, why didn't you just come over, innit? Cause that. Fucking bell ends, innit? Cut you off back. Oh no, I've got no fucking drinks today. Oh wait, I do, but... Yeah, is it alright? Do I check my UID with you, yeah?
No.
I'll just go to front desk, is it?
Yeah, just go to front desk, mate.
Oh, alright, no worries. Yeah, because they were doing works on the bottom of the day today.
Yeah, no, I've been told that, didn't know.
Oh, alright then, so it's just straight down then, is it?
Straight down, mate.
Alright, perfect, thank you. Ah, wrong one. God, fuck. This is weird.